Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you how to calculate modified IRR with uneven cash flows. In my previous lecture, I explained you how to calculate modified IRR with even cash flows. In uneven cash flows, your cash flows, that is cash outflows as well as the cash inflows, are not even. They vary from one year to another year. In that context, you need to calculate the present value of cash outflows on a year-wise basis. Similarly, the future value of cash inflows need to be calculated on a year-wise basis. And the assumption that we make in a modified IRR is that the cash inflows that you receive during a particular year are reinvested for the coming years. Now we'll see how to calculate modified IRR of uneven cash flows. Here are the cash outflows and cash inflows of a given project. And using a 8% required rate, you need to calculate the modified IRR. So your modified IRR is where your present value of cash outflows equals to future value of cash inflows discounted at 1 plus MIRR. Now how is that you are going to get your MIRR is modified IRR. This equals to future value of cash inflows upon present value of cash outflows raised to the power of 1 upon n minus 1. So this is the equation to get your MIRR. Now here you have a cash flows at a 0 time period, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is a year, and your cash flows minus 75,000, then minus $10,000, then $19,000 cash inflow in the second year, $30,000 cash inflow in the third year, $41,550 in a fourth year, and $50,000 in a fifth year. So we will calculate the values. So for these two, as these two are a cash outflows, we calculate the present value, right? So present value of cash outflows, this is, as it is a 0 time period, this will have a same present value, and we'll calculate for the first year cash outflow minus 10,000 upon 1.08 raised to the power of 1. Now we calculate the future value of cash inflows. So your future value of cash inflows starts from year 2. Now when it comes to the future value of cash inflows, the assumption that we make in a modified IRR is that the cash inflows that you receive in a second year or in a given year is reinvested for the next time period of the project. So here in a second year you received a cash flow of $19,000. So this amount is reinvested for next 3 time periods, that is 1, 2, 3. That means the amount that you received in a second year time period T2 is reinvested for 3 years. And similarly, the amount that you receive in time period 3 is reinvested for 2 years. And the amount that you receive in a fourth year is invested for 1 year. And the amount that you receive in a fifth year is invested for 0 time period. So while calculating a future value, the formula that we use to calculate future value is future value equals to cash flow times 1 plus I to the power of n minus t. So here n is total life of the project. So for our second year cash flow, then this is 19,000 times 1.08 raised to the power of n minus t. N is a 5 and this is a t is 2. So this is 3. That means, sorry, n is 5 years and your t is a 2. So n minus t, this equals to 5 minus 2, that is 3. Similarly, the amount that you receive in the third year is reinvested for 2 years. So 30,000 times 1.08 raised to the power of 5 minus 3, that is 2. Then 41,550 times 1.08, this is you are receiving the fourth year. So total project n is a 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, so raised to the power of 1. Then fifth year you are investing for 0, so this will be 0 and the amount is $50,000. Now Now the total cash inflows are 23,935 plus 34,992 plus 44,874 plus 50,000. This gives you cash inflow of 153,801 and our cash outflows are here. So your MIRR, this equals to future value of cash inflows upon present value of cash outflows raised to the power of 1 upon n minus 1. So your future value of cash inflows is 153,801 upon minus 75,000 plus minus 9259. So your present value of cash outflows is 84,259 raised to the power of 1 upon 5 minus 1. So this gives you 153,801 upon 84,259, then 1 upon 5.02, that is 1.8253 raised to the power of 0.2. This is 1.1279. 1.1279 minus 1 equals to 0.1279 or 12.79. So your MIRR is 12.79%. This is the way you need to calculate modified IRR with uneven cash flows. Thank you.